Looking for the perfect watch that combines style and functionality? Here are the 5 best Movado options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Men's 3-Hand Calendar Date Quartz Watch. The first watch on our list is the Men's 3-Hand Calendar Date Quartz Watch from Bulova, priced at $224.65. What caught my attention right away was its vintage-inspired design, which feels timeless yet modern. If you want a classic look that's always in style, this is worth a serious look. With a 38 in diameter, it's the right size for most wrists and won't overpower your outfit. The domed mineral crystal adds a touch of sophistication while providing protection against scratches. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 30 meters, perfect for everyday wear, even if you get caught in the rain. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The calendar feature is practical for daily use, and the minimalist design means you can wear it to both formal and casual occasions. With over 1,000 units sold in the past month, people clearly trust this brand and style. Now, some people complained about the watch's size, saying it might be too small for larger wrists. Here's the thing though, it's designed for a tailored look and many prefer a more understated watch. If you're into larger watches, this might not be for you, but if you like something elegant and subtle, it's a great choice. This is perfect for you if you want a classic timepiece for everyday wear. Skip this one if you prefer larger watches. At this price point, it offers great value for a stylish accessory that lasts. Now, if the size of the Bulova bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Men's Classic Eco Drive Leather Strap Watch. Next up is the Men's Classic Eco Drive Leather Strap Watch from Citizen, priced at $247.19. The first thing that stood out to me was its elegant leather strap paired with a gold-toned stainless steel case, which gives it a luxurious vibe. If you want a watch that effortlessly transitions from work to play, this is definitely worth a look. The mineral crystal is durable and protects against scratches, while the 30 meters of water resistance means you don't have to baby it too much. The Eco Drive technology is a big plus too. It runs on light, so you never have to worry about changing batteries. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The timeless styling makes it suitable for various occasions, whether you're in a meeting or out with friends. With over 600 units sold this month, people are clearly loving this watch. However, some users mention that the leather strap can feel stiff at first. I'll be real with you, that can be uncomfortable during the break-in period. Still, once it molds to your wrist, it becomes incredibly comfortable and stylish. This is perfect for you if you appreciate classic design and function. Skip this one if you prefer a metal strap or want a watch that's ready to wear immediately. For the quality and style, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love chronographs. Product number 3, Men's Marine Star Series C Chronograph Watch. Coming in at number 3, we have the Men's Marine Star Series C Stainless Steel 6-Hand Chronograph Quartz Watch, priced at $445.52. This watch really caught my eye with its bold black dial and striking accents. If you want a watch that makes a statement while being functional, this one is worth checking out. This Bulova watch is packed with features. It has a 6-hand chronograph that measures up to 60 minutes, which is great for timing activities or just for showing off. The 200-meter water resistance is impressive, making it suitable for swimming or even snorkeling. The silver-toned stainless steel adds durability while looking sleek and modern. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The chronograph feature is not just for show, it's incredibly functional for anyone who enjoys sports or needs precision timing. With over 500 units sold recently, it's clear this is a popular choice. Some users pointed out that the watch can feel a bit heavy on the wrist. Now I get it, a heavy watch might not be for everyone. But for those who appreciate a solid feel and durability, this weight can actually add to the quality impression. This is perfect for you if you enjoy sporty, functional designs. Skip this if you prefer lightweight watches or something more understated. Considering its features, it's a good investment for an active lifestyle. If the weight of the Marine Star didn't sit well with you, let's look at something a bit more refined. Product number 4, Men's Marine Star Chronograph Watch. Next on the list is the Men's Marine Star 6-hand chronograph watch, priced at $577.84. This one really stands out with its gold-toned stainless steel and luminous hands, giving it a classic yet sporty look. If you're after a watch that shines in both style and functionality, this is definitely worth a look. The 100-meter water resistance opens the door for various activities, whether you're at the beach or just caught in a rainstorm. The mineral crystal protects it against daily wear and tear. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The luminous hands are a fantastic feature, especially if you're often checking the time in dim light. With over 300 units sold recently, this watch has caught the attention of many. However, some folks mention that it might be a bit too flashy for everyday wear. Here's the thing, if you love a watch that stands out, this might be perfect. But if you're looking for something more subtle, then you may want to consider other options. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that combines elegance with sportiness. Skip this if you prefer understated pieces. For those who appreciate a bit of flair, it offers great value for a luxury feel. Lastly, if the flashiness of the Marine Star didn't appeal to you, this next option is all about modern design. To quickly recap, we looked at the Bulova Men's 3-hand calendar date watch for its classic charm, the Citizen Eco Drive for its timeless versatility, the Marine Star Series C for sporty functionality, the Marine Star Chronograph for a stylish statement, and the Diamond Dial watch for that touch of luxury. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Men's Marine Star Series C because it combines both functionality and a bold design that stands out without being over the top. On the flip side, I'd suggest avoiding the Marine Star Chronograph if you're looking for something more subtle. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.